Hey, I see a fucking fireworks show over there. It's at the golf course. Duh, sorry about that, folks. That seems to be the end of the fireworks show over at the golf course where all the rich people live. Wow. There it is over there. Got my favorite guys over here. Okay, look at those. Not bad for free. This is Las Vegas neighborhoods. This is the hood, baby. Something going on over there. Oh, that was the one maybe starting. Maybe this one started. Holy shit. Well, I should decide which ones I'm gonna watch. Maybe we could catch a little, you know. So this is the one with the rich people at the golf course. God. Chumley lived there. Oh. And then you got the West Gate over there. Wow. I'm sorry, you guys watching this. Oh man, what a shitty photographer. I'm not a photographer. Oh, as you can see. There. Oh, we gotta look at the strip. Okay. Still going on over there? Yep. God, guys, so sorry. I can't just sit there and hold it. Let's see. That's pretty good there. I guess I'll just let you watch it that way.
I don't know. She can't be sad. I guess that's
No, he did it.
don't even have to pause it this year. I have no idea how this is going to come out, but this is what it's going to be. Along with the kids crying. Kids crying too. We got fucking kids crying. Yes, that sounds wonderful live. Fucking A, man. That's what I'm talking about. I love my guys from south of the border across the street. Every year they provide. And it was going hours early. As you see, they're over on the ground. Oh, I can't show you. They're on the ground over there setting them up, and I could see them running. And that's when I know they're going to go off. And if you look across the valley, that's all you see into the 10 miles. You can see 10 miles into the distance on the ground, and boy, is just thousands of them going off. Thousands. Tens of thousands, actually. Yeah, I could say million. See, I would rather watch the big one way over here, but I got these guys. Anyway, those guys are down there. Right down there.
Tip jar. Tip jar. These people are working hard. On 4th of July. That means they're all in their families, enjoying themselves, watching fireworks. They're working hard. Probably not all that much. This motherfucking country takes
There's the strip. There's nothing going on yet till 10, I think. Unbelievable. Those rich fuckers over there at the golf course. They live on each side of it too, in special gate entrance. It's fucking the elite shit. I am not putting it down. I'd be living there if I could. No, if I could, I'd be living on a 22nd floor over by the MGM or something. Sorry, I was listening to Smoke and Scan. Smoke and Scan. where all of us smoking weed every day people go. I should just stay with these and let the other ones go off in the background. And you know, with these cameras, they are always auto-focusing. God damn it. Wow, is that a finale over there? Wow, that one went off on the ground. Those two you just heard went off on the ground over there. Oh, I can't stop watching this shit. Another one went off on the ground just now. Somebody's not lighting them very well. Jesus criminy, that's how the rich folks live. All that money up in smoke over there. Love it. Thank you.